Today I'm going to show all the devices in the groups together. So I have 5 of those devices except for the alarm, but instead we have 4 exit signs and also 1 emergency light. So only 3 exit signs in total and 1 emergency light. And I came home today because everything like that because of the bad storm. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I got my this is the incandescent exit sign combo, and this is also newer. As you can see, so when you adjust this head here, this thing comes out, and there's the light bulb in it. So see, also it comes out like that. Yep, that thing broke. This head broke, and of course it did break. So let's go ahead and snap this in, and let's go ahead and adjust it. Okay. Make sure to put this on. This is all the lens. Make sure to put the lens on here. See, during the shipping, it broke for no reason, so it did break. And that is that. And also this one's good. This one does have incandescent lights. And move on over here, we got the Gentex. We got a Gentex Commander 3 multi-candela horn strobe. As you can see, this is a really loud horn. And also they have these at my school. Of course, the red body with the white strobe, and also that you cannot switch the strobe colors. If you switch this thing to red, but this thing will get stuck. Like if you take the strobe and let's say if you take the cover out and you see the horn inside and the strobe, and you can't switch the lens to red if you want to, and that could be like general alarm. And they can, so I should say, they can do multi-tones. So if you take this thing out here, you take the cover out. Here's the candela. So there are 275 candelas here. See that? There are 275 candelas on there. And as you can see, there is the tones here. This thing is mounted on the wall right here, next to the door. So when the alarm sounds, you should evacuate. So that's the Gentex Commander 3 alarm with the white strobe, which is nice. Why not? And on to the next one. We got our. This is mine. So I got this from Home Depot. I got 1 million views. I don't know. So I got the Lithonia lighting emergency light unit. As you can see, this one does have this different LEDs comparing to that LED to this LED here. And also this one test button, and also does have adjustable. This one does have adjustable emergency lights. So let's go ahead and adjust your lights. And this one adjusted like this. This one does a test. And about this one works too, the same thing. On here we got commercial electric. Okay, then we got a commercial electric Starbucks generic exit sign combo. As you can see, the LEDs is comparing to this. This one does have newer LEDs. This one does have 12 LEDs, as you can see, but 4 here are missing. But this one, they have 12 LEDs, so this one does have 8 LEDs, so, as you can see, 8 LEDs, and so 12 minus 4 you know it equals to 8, right? So the inside there only have 8 LEDs. I mean, no, 4 LEDs. And so yeah, there are 8 LEDs inside. And the same thing, this one does have 12 LEDs as well. And over here we got a commercial electric red exit sign combo. As you can see, this one has the same LEDs, same heads, comparing to this head. So, you know what, what was it? What is like 11 plus 1 equals to 12. It's the same color situation. As you can see, there's a test button down there. It's on because this one does have emergency lights on it, and all of it works. So these were separate for indoor uses. So we get separate similarly for indoor mass notification, and that's really cool, I think. Alright, so now just for fun, we're going ahead and we're going to unwire this, unplug the battery, put a new one up. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this sign is in emergency mode, and we are going ahead and take the face off, unplug the battery is unplugged, and plug in the battery here again, push the test button, and then we're going ahead and snap the face on. There you go. Now put this thing up here. And then this thing's still, yep, this thing's still, and look at the inside and see what happens to, oops, I just hit the head, thank goodness it didn't break. So let's go ahead and take this thing out. Let's go ahead and take this out. So here's the wiring. The thing should be appropriate. Oh yeah, this thing. You know this thing connects to this battery thing? So that is really appropriate to do this stuff. So here's it is, the blue thing. And it is connected to this battery. If you disconnect it, the lights will not turn on. Or the LEDs will stay on. If you hit the test button when this thing is unplugged, the lights will not come on, and the LEDs won't come on when you push the test button. So make sure to put this in first. Okay, next you must put this thing on, and I'm coming right back to put it in. Alright, now let's go hit the test switch, and nothing happens. Oh, this thing. Oh yeah, make sure to plug in the battery at all times. When you unplug the battery, this thing will not charge. Hold on. You hit it? This thing always charges. Alright, now put the cover in. And you will snap this thing on. Okay? And other words, if you don't know how, this thing will be on it. And let's go ahead and adjust this head since a little bit more we use. Oh, the lens popped out again. Let me pick it up. Okay, now the lens has been popped on. And okay. When you unplug it and the lights come on, it's in a power outage, so. This one does have bad lights too. That does have incandescent lights too. As you can see, I'm now holding down the test button. For this one does have a 9-minute battery in here. See that? So I'm pushing it for a second, right? And the test is going to be okay. And as you can see, the lights, if I hit it, and I cannot let it go when it's testing. This one does not have self-diagnostics. As you can see now, oh, when I hit the test button, this thing will not come on. Look. Oh, if you do that again, look what happens. It looks like that. Same. Oh, the lights. The battery needs to be replaced. When you look, what happens again? Does it look like it? Thank you guys. Wait, do it again? Oh, this? What happens again if you hit it again? Oh, the lights come off. Thank you guys for watching this video. Of course, please rate, comment, and subscribe.